Hey guys, today I have got the ProForm 415 Crosswalk, and designated the Crosswalk because of these Crosswalk arms here. They just give you an additional workout. Down there you've got an adjuster to make them very freely flowing, or they can get some good resistance, kind of like an elliptical machine. Now you don't have to use them. You could just leave them right there, or if they drove you crazy, 2 bolts on the bottom, you just take them right off. So they're kind of optional at that point, though I leave them on here because they also just kind of make great walking handles, especially for our senior citizens. They need a little additional help and don't want to hold on. Sometimes these can be a little uncomfortable. These make it great, almost like a walker almost. So if you're looking for somebody, you know, like I said, senior citizen style, these are great for that. If you want to take them off and just have a little bit more space here, you can do that very easy. But nice little optional deal to have there. And what I'm going to do here in this video is show you that everything on here is working perfect. So we can do our incline, we can do our speed, we can just hit the quick speed button and it jumps right up to that speed. Now the belt has been adjusted, so there's no play in the belt. We get going here. You try to stomp on the belt and make it stop. It's not going to skip, step, or stop any of that stuff underneath your feet. So you can see it's working great there. The incline. Let's see, we'll kick that up all the way up there, and I'll show you that it is inclining there. Nice, steady, and slow. You don't want this to go too fast, especially while you're walking, can throw you off balance. You just want it to be steady and slow. And there it gets up to its height. You can see it inclining just fine there. Just showing you so you know everything works, all the motors and everything. And as you can see in here, this is nice and quiet. So we will carefully get back up on here. Now the incline will make it much more difficult. So we'll go ahead and turn that all the way back down. It goes all the way up to 10. And we've got all the way up to 10 miles an hour on here too. Let's kick that down to 2. Just get going a little bit slower as that incline's still going back down. You've got your emergency brake here. You've got your heart rate sensors here. And of course it's going to tell you calories, distance, time, all that. You've also got some built-in programs so you can hit the workout button and go from there. There's your go button to get started. Of course, we pull this, everything stops very quickly. So I always do a video, like I said, showing off everything so that you know everything works perfect. When you get home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. That's how I like to shop and spend my money. So that is how I like to sell my items. We pull this pin up like this, go right in here like that. Gonna do that one-handed, it's a little difficult, but it folds up, gets out of your way. Nice profile footprint here. And then same thing, we're gonna let it back down. You're just gonna kind of brace it with one arm, pull out on that with the other arm, and that's not very heavy. And that's it. I'll go ahead and get this listed up for sale. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. The last thing I'll say on it, has an excellent spot here to pop an iPad up. iPad, your phone, a book or magazine. Has a real nice deep track here. It's going to keep it nice, safe, and secure. So thanks again, guys. Y'all have a great day.